Good morning guys! Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Inflatable Island dito sa Subic. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Lighthouse Hotel dito sa Subic. Ngayon, sobrang init, 35 degrees. Ito nyo, ang itim ko na, no? So, let's go! Welcome to Inflatable Island. Tayo doon. So, pagpasok nyo rito, meron siyang mga schedule para laro na kayo sa inflatable. So, for example, mamimili kayo 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, or whole day. It depends kung ano pipiliin nyo, and may mga schedule kung anong oras kayo pwedeng mag-start maglaro doon. Kasi, group by group. Pero mas maganda siya kasi pag walang by oras, kung punuan, ang magiging problema, crowded kayo. Locker niya. So dito yung mga locker. Punta tayo sa orientation area. Oh. Alright. Like this. Pickly? Wow!
Das wird gleich hier Mittagessen schmecken schon.
So yung small locker 50 pesos and the big lockers is 100 pesos. Pwede na. Maglagay ng sunblock pag may naglalagay siya. Sunblock yung mukha ko oh. So yung mga rules, bawal ang sharp object, and sa babae bawal ang topless, pero sa lalaki pwede ang topless. Actually, this place is good for team building, family bonding, and relationship bonding or couple bonding. That is good.
It's good for first day.
It's good for first day. But when you jump and this is very embarrassing. So very romantic, embarrassing.
Painful?
What? What?
Painful.
And painful. It's all very Yes. When you are from Manila, you can ride Victory Liner Olongapo. Kailangan nyo sign Olongapo. And then from the terminal, you can ride the jeep. Yellow jeep. Yeah, to save. Pero kung may budget ka naman, pwede kang sumakay ng taxi. Around, usually they offer 250, pero sabihin mo lang 200 pesos. Or maybe 150. I'll say thank you. Wow. So we have okra, talong, longganisa, pork, itlog na maalat, kamatis, barbecue, pinakbet, adobo, pakwan, chicken barbecue, and garlic rice with chili. Ay. Chills, buko salad. Guys, jackpot, nagsushooting sila Drew doon. Sila biyahe ni Drew nandun. Buti na lang umalis na kami. Pero marami ng stolen shot sa drone nila. Especially si Ming Ming.
Okay, we can make recommendation. Masuk video?
Yeah. So, what we can do? Yeah.
We can make a recommendation what to wear here and for safety. So for the ladies, don't wear only bikini or swimsuit. Put something bounce there, because if not, you will lose all. Everybody will see everything. Don't make your nails before, because after they are anyway broken.